Affinity Photo has a great linked feature. You can change one shape, all the shapes will change that are linked. But unfortunately, if you convert it to a pixel layer, this will not work. You need to go all the way back to one single design. So you've got this curve. Now I can go to Layer and down to Rasterize. And I want to keep the shadow, so preserve layer effects. Yes, I want to do that. So rasterize. Now I can go to layer and duplicate linked, layer and duplicate linked, and I've got this second layer. Now in version 2, you can hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate this now. And it will also still be a duplicate linked. With version 1, that didn't seem to happen. Certainly on my version anyway. Now you can resize, you can rotate. Doesn't make any difference. The colours are not being changed. Any transforms, doesn't matter at all. Now, once you've got this, what you can then do is you can apply filter effects. Now, they will be used with all the layers. So filters, distort, and deform. You could use any of the others as well. So deform, one layer's been selected, and I'm just adding some pins to it. I'm using rigid, and I can drag like that. And as you do that, you can see what happens. All the layers are distorted in the same way. And because they're at different angles, different sizes, all kinds of colour combinations are created. Now you can always undo. If you don't like it, just undo and start again. And you can just drag that around and create beautiful sort of lovely smeary designs like that. Once you've done that, also what you can do is you can go to the layers panel and go here. Go to the blending modes and you can go through all these. You can go for lighten, and again that will create some very interesting combinations. So difference. And you can still, if you wish, continue to move this around. But also, you can click effect, but still you've got this outer shadow. And you can change it. So you decide, you know what, I don't want orange. I chose orange earlier, but I'm going to click there and I can change it to blue. And as I do that, all the blues change, all the blending modes of difference kick in, and you can see the colours change in your design. And click close. With one layer selected, go to Filters, Blur and Motion Blur, and set the radius. You can change it, change the angle, change the radius setting, and click apply. You can then go to Filters, Distort and Twirl, and you can apply it multiple times. Change the angle, change the radius and the origin point, and click apply. And you can repeat that. So Filters, Distort and Twirl, and create another design. Also Filters and Distort and Mirror. With that, set the number of mirrors as well as change your input and create all kinds of unique designs simply by modifying the origin point.